Hello there. Welcome. In this video we will make a walk cycle animation. We will make it in 30 frames and in 30 FPS. Okay, let's begin. First, we go to Animation tab. This reference is by Richard Williams. Animator Survival Kit. Okay, let's begin. Select the rig and enter pose mode. Change to Action Editor. And now, let's make new action. Make sure the auto keying is active. Okay, we're ready now. Let's make the first frame, the contact pose. This is the symmetry option. Posing. No need for this anymore. Oh, yeah, hands. Okay, done. Now let's copy the contact pose. We can do it by using Shift B. Or we can use Ctrl C with the cursor on the 3D viewport. Then move to the target frame. Then Ctrl Shift V on the viewport for reverse paste. Let's test it. Looks ugly. Now let's make the passing position pose. Posing. It's better to adjust the stepping foot position only on its vertical axis. Okay, done. Let's copy it. Select the frame. Ctrl C on this area. Then move to the target frame. Ctrl Shift V on this area. Okay, done. Now let's make the in-between poses. Posing. Vertical axis only as advised. Vertical axis only as advised. Vertical axis only as advised. Okay, done. Let's copy the poses. Select the frame. Ctrl C on this area. Then move to the target frame. Ctrl Shift V on this area. One more. You know the drill. Okay, done. Let's test it. Looks good enough. Walking like a true robot. You can always polish again for smoother result if you want. Okay, we're done. Hope it's useful. Thank you for watching.